If you've done any driving around the highways and back roads of Louisiana during the month of October, you've probably noticed these beautiful large swaths of golden yellow flowers, and that's probably swamp sunflower. This is Helianthus angustifolius. It is a great perennial native that will grow almost anywhere. Now, normally you're going to find them in wet areas, hence the common name swamp sunflower, but they're highly adaptable. They'll grow in almost any soil conditions once they're established. Their bloom time is typically early to mid-fall, so October is when they're going to be putting on a great show. And just look at the size of these plants. They can easily grow 6 feet to 8 feet tall, maybe even taller. And one thing you're going to want to make sure, though, about that height is plant them in full sun, because if they get a little bit of shade, they'll get even leggier. Now, they're great for pollinators, and propagation is so easy. They can be propagated by seed or by plant divisions in late winter or early spring. If you look at the base, you'll see lots of little plantlets coming out, and you can divide and plant those. So try this in your garden. Helianthus angustifolius swamp sunflower. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.